अपना ही कार्ड लेके चलता
काय
पेन
आहे ना माझ्याकडे आता
फोन से इतना ही है.
Hello. Good evening, all of you. Soham, good evening. Shruti, good evening. Good evening, good evening. People are coming or no? You had any other lecture? Good evening. Hi, Shriya. See, your solutions are ready. Only I missed your number again. So just put a hi up just after the lecture. Okay, so I will send you all the solutions I have solved. Thank you. All of you have learned probability in standard 10, no? So basic. Oh, okay. You had school, your college test, chemistry test. Yeah. Oh. Integrated college, no? Are you all doing integrated? Okay. Great. Oh, Vidyanidhi, yes. Okay. So you have your maths test tomorrow. Oh, and you have probability, right? I will touch all the points I will touch today, and I will make sure that you will be able to get marks tomorrow. Okay, and then more of determinant matrices, more of functions, and more of once the exams are over, then we'll redo few more problems. Okay, so everybody knows what is a probability. It's a chance. Correct? You know, any probability, if you have MCQs, any probability always lies between 0 and 1. This is called impossible event. This is called a certain or sure event. Make me the finalist for attendance of NASIC. Now, you know, probability of any event A, we write it as, see, something that I will write till everybody joins now, we'll be able to complete this. N of A upon N of S. Correct? Then if A and B are disjoint sets, that is probability of A intersection B is 0, then A is called, A and B are called, what are they called? Mutually exclusive events. Mutually exclusive मतलब उनमें कुछ भी common नहीं. And if A union B, if I call it as a sample space, मतलब जैसे मैंने die में लिया suppose odd numbers and even numbers which are possible on a die. So 1, 3, 5 and 2, 4, 6 together form a sample space. So in this case, A and B are called, does anybody know? Mutually exhaustive events. Here, A intersection will be a null set. There is nothing common in A and B. And here, A union B sample is will be either from A or from B. Correct? Means you are writing the test. I know my internet connection is unstable today, but I'm so sorry. I will just discuss the sample spaces which you have done. You couldn't hear me. Voice is lagging. I know I have major internet issue today because since morning I have been taking lectures and I'm facing a lot of problems. Coin is tossed. Your sample space is head can come or tail can come. Now can you hear me? Two coins or a coin is tossed twice. So head, tail, tail, head, tail, tail. Everyone is having the same problem. I know because of the weather. Three coins are tossed. ऊपर लिखो हेड की स्टोरी मतलब हेड 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 देन पहला दूसरा हेड देन दूसरा तीसरा हेड देन पहला तीसरा हेड you want to write Ayush yeah you will see from YouTube so that I can do more. I don't have an issue. छोटा करने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है but the thing is it will be T T T पहली दूसरी टेल वही तो पहली तीसरी टेल एंड दूसरी तीसरी टेल ऐसे 8 आएंगे. In general if be 2 raised to n. Yes, Ayush. Thank you. You know what is a random experiment? Random experiment is an experiment in which you cannot predict what can come. अगर मेरे पास suppose die है जिसके हर एक फेज पे मैं 5 लिखूं, so I can predict that 5 is going to come because everywhere I have written 5. But अगर 1 2 3 4 5 6 है, जैसे one die है, तो it will be 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. You know 1 is neither prime nor composite. 2 is the only even prime number. Yes. अगर 2 dice है तो, oh my God, वो लिखना पड़ेगा मुझे. Sample space. Uh, 2 raised to n, Shreya. 2 raised to n. 2 dice का, if you all remember, sorry. क्या हो रहा है? Why is it so sensitive? Oh, I'm not touching also. Why is it happening like that? One, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, yes. 1, 5, तुम लोगों ने स्कूल में किया था ना? but I will just write till everybody joins. You know why? Because I want to show you. So dice का कोई भी sum आ गया, then you'll be able to crack. 5 1 6 1. I write very fast. 2 2 2 3 2 4. B and C निकल सकते हैं. I didn't get you. Prathamesh, I didn't understand what you wrote better. Oh, you're telling me that I need not write, you mean? I need not write. हो गया मेरा. अगर वो लोग पूछते हैं कि सम इज अ प्राइम नंबर, क्या करोगे? यस, 2 डाइस के लिए 6 स्क्वायर. या परफेक्ट. यस, सम इज अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. परफेक्ट स्क्वायर कौन कौन सा है? यू नो, योर सम लाइज बिटवीन 2 and 12. सबसे छोटा 1, सबसे बड़ा 6,6. So sum is a perfect square में क्या क्या आएगा? 2 से लेके 12 तक. So 4 can come and 9 can come. मतलब you will take 1 3 3 1 2 2. समझा? 4 5 5 4 6 3 3 6. You understand? That means sum can be 4 or sum can be 9. You want me to write the events or you understand? Like 1 के लाइन में 1,3 है, समझा ना? हाँ, then like that. Then sum is a prime number. प्राइम नंबर के लिए क्या करोगे? 2 है, 3 है, 5 है. 1 2 क्या लिख रहे हो? So हम, हाँ, okay. 1 is neither prime nor composite. हाँ, prime numbers are 2 3 5 7. 9 नहीं है. Yes, 9 is not prime and 11. तो जहां जहां सम मिलेगी 1,1, 3 है 1 2 2 1, 5 है 1 4 2 3. यू नो, इनका एक ऐसा मजा है. अगर मुझे सम 5 चाहिए ना, तो ये देखो ऐसे होता है. देखा, ये सम 5, ये सम 5, ये सम 5 का. तो ये पार्ट आएगा सम लेस देन 5. स्टक हो गया अभी भी? यस. Now okay, sum is greater than 5. You understand? Less than 5. Screen was frozen. Oh, I'm so sorry. I know I'm facing. What to do? Jitna samajhta, at least, you know, you can see this because it's getting recorded. You can see it later and understand the entire lecture. See this. सम इज 5. एक लाइन में आता है. लेस देन में ये बाजू जाएगा, ग्रेटर देन में ये बाजू आएगा. लेस देन और इक्वल टू 5 में यू हैव टू टेक 5 और लेस देन 5. ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 5 में 5 और ग्रेटर देन 5 दोनों लेना चाहिए. ओके, सो सम इज अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर पूछते हैं, सम इज अ प्राइम नंबर पूछते हैं. सम इज utmost 5 पूछा. utmost का मतलब who will tell me? utmost पर yes 5 भी चले या कम भी चले, एंड at least 5 में 5 या more than 5. at least and at most में borders कम, but less than 5 में 5 नहीं आएगा, greater than 5 में 5 नहीं आएगा. Then if they ask you sum between 5 and 7, 5, हाँ, सॉरी, एटलीस्ट मतलब उस नीचे नहीं, हाँ उसके नीचे नहीं. यस, वो नंबर भी चले या उससे ज्यादा भी चले. यू नो एवरी टाइम अगर कंफ्यूज, आई नीड एटलीस्ट 35 मार्क्स ऑफ पासिंग, मतलब 35 या मोर देन 30, लाइक दैट यू थिंक. सम बिटवीन 5 and 7 पूछा तो 5 भी नहीं लेना है, 7 भी नहीं लेना है. कॉर्नर्स आर नॉट टू बी, यू नो दे आर टू बी एक्सक्लूडेड, बीच के लेने हैं जो भी है. एंड फ्रॉम 5 to 7 पूछा तो 5 भी लेना है, 6 भी लेना है, 7 भी लेना है. ओके, सी द डिफरेंस. ओके, देन डबलेट बोला, डबलेट तो मतलब you will take 1 1 2 2 3 3 up to 6 6. That is a doublet. Yes. Then sum is odd पूछा तो you will use odd plus even is odd. मतलब odd की जोड़ी even के साथ, odd की जोड़ी even के साथ, odd की जोड़ी even के साथ, मतलब जहां पहला नंबर odd है, सेकंड नंबर आप even लोगे. And sum is even बोला तो odd plus odd or even plus even. Yes, 2 or मतलब you will take 1 1 1 3 1 5 or you will take 2 2 2 4 2 6 like that. So that will cover entire thing about your 2 dice. Okay. Now cards you must be already knowing, na? Everybody knows, na? There are 52 cards in a pack. There are 26 red cards and 26 black cards. Red में है 13 hearts, 13 diamonds, 13 clubs, 13 spades. ये चारों को क्या बोलते हैं बोलो? What are these called? What are these called बोलो? They are called suits. They are called suits. Now there are 4 kings, 4 queens, 4 jacks. So there are 12 face cards. बाकी सारे 40 नॉन फेस कार्ड्स हैं. उसमें आते हैं 4 एसेस, 4 टूज से लेके 4 टेंस तक. ये 40 नॉन फेस कार्ड्स and ये 12 face cards. Is that clear? So this is about cards. So these are basic things to apply in problems. This is what we need. Now you have learned addition theorem. Some of you have learned addition theorem. What is probability of A union B? It is probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Sets में यही किया है, n की जगह p लिखना है. नाउ अगर प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए यूनियन बी यूनियन सी है, यूनियन इज और, यूनियन का मतलब है और जिसमें हम लोग प्लस करते हैं, एंड इंटरसेक्शन का मतलब है एंड जिसमें हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं। एंड पूछा तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन और बोला तो प्लस। So it is probability of first plus probability of second plus probability of third plus probability of first intersection, second intersection, third. सिंगल वाले एंड तीन वाले प्लस, दो दो वाले माइनस, ए इंटरसेक्शन बी माइनस बी इंटरसेक्शन सी माइनस ए इंटरसेक्शन सी, ये फॉर्मूले हम लोगों ने सेट्स में किए थे ना। अगर ये फर्स्ट में if A and B are mutually exclusive events, मतलब probability of A intersection B is going to be 0 because उन दोनों में कुछ common होगा ही नहीं. So you will get probability of A union B is probability of A plus probability of B, mutually exclusive events के लिए. Okay, and you know complementary events. अगर मेरा ये यूनिवर्सल सेट है, तो अगर मेरा ये A है, तो this outside this will be A dash. So probability of A plus probability of A dash is probability of the sample space, which is always 1. So A and A dash are complementary events of each other. Okay, they are complementary events of each other. Now, I will cover all types of problems. You please copy later so I can do more. Huh? Now, problem number 1. Find the probability of getting 2 red balls, both red balls, from 5 red and 4 blue balls. That is 9 balls. When 2 balls are drawn, एक में है with replacement and second में है you are taking the balls out from like one by one. 2 balls ले रहे हैं अपने को. So what will be the sample space? First ball can be taken in 9 ways. Second ball can be taken in 9 ways. So it can be done in 81 ways. See, पहले 5 रेड है, 4 ब्लू है, 9 बॉल्स है, उसमें से एक बॉल निकालना है, तो इट कैन बी डन इन 9 वेज, कोई भी आ सकता है. एंड मीन्स इनटू, वो बॉल आपने रिप्लेस किया मतलब वापस डाला, तो सेकेंड टाइम भी 9 into 8 होगा. बट इन दिस केस विदाउट रिप्लेसमेंट, पहले में आपको चॉइस था 9 बॉल्स का, अभी आपने रिप्लेस नहीं किया, वो बॉल आपने बाहर रखा, तो यहाँ आएगा 9 into 8, तो इसका सैंपल स्पेस आएगा 72. अभी अपने को दोनों बॉल्स रेड निकालने हैं, तो the probability of red ball, it can be from these 5. So it can be done in 5 ways. Second thing also can be done in 5 ways because जो आपने निकाला वही डाला. So red ball can come, the probability of getting the first red ball is also 5 and second red ball is also 5. So this is 25. Yes. हाँ श्रेया बोलो. Yes. What is the doubt, Shreya? Got it? Is that clear? Shreya, you want something else, beta? The highlighted points. कौन सा किया था मैंने? कहाँ पे था highlighted? Got it? हाँ अच्छा ये. Yes, yes, you already got the answer. So पहले का probability आया 25 out of 81. Correct? And इसका रेड बॉल का probability क्या होगा? पहले के लिए तो 5 रेड है, लेकिन पहला रेड बाहर आया, वो आपने बाहर रखा, तो सेकंड के लिए रहेंगे 4 ही रेड बॉल्स अंदर. So this is 20. So probability in this case is 20 upon 72. 4 5 4 into 5 by 18 is answer. Correct? Okay. I am just doing the sums which can be asked in tomorrow's exam. I will cover all types. From a group of 5 men and 3 women, a committee of 4 persons, 4 persons निकालने, is to be selected randomly. I'm not going to waste time in writing all. 5 men है, 3 women है, committee of 4 निकालना है. Find the probability. First, it contains 2 men and 2 women. शॉर्ट में लिखी होगी मैं. अभी अपने को 2 men can be selected from 5 men in 5C2 and is into. 1 सेकंड में सिखा रही हूँ मैं कैसे आंसर निकालना. 3 women में से 2 women सिलेक्ट करना है 3C2 अपॉन 4 लोग निकालने हैं. टोटल 5 + 3 you have 8. And you have to select 4. So it can be done in 8C4 ways. Everybody clear? 2 men can be selected from 5 in 5C2 ways. You have done permutation combination or no? Done, na? Very good. So 3C2 is 3. And 8C4 मतलब 4 factorial तक cancel होगा. 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 upon 4 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. ये 8 तो कैंसिल होगा. 2 जा 70. 3 by 7 is the answer. Followed how to do it? 2 men and 2 women. ये एक टाइप का सम. ऐसे क्रिकेट टीम का भी पूछ सकते हैं. इतने बॉलर्स, इतने वॉचमैन, बैट्समैन, इतने विकेट कीपर्स एंड ऑल. मेजॉरिटी ऑफ मेन. अभी मेरी बात सुनो. अपने को 4 सिलेक्ट करना है. अगर 2 मेन एंड 2 वुमेन करते हो, हाँ, तो मेजॉरिटी नहीं होती. मेजॉरिटी ऑफ मेन चाहिए, तो या तो अपने को मैन 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 वुमेन चाहिए और मैन 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 चाहिए. तो ये मेजॉरिटी हो गई. गेटिंग इट? सो यू कैन हैव 3 men and 1 woman और 4 men. अभी यही लिखना सीखो, बस हो गया. 3 men can be selected from 5. That is 5C3. and is into, and है ना into, one woman चाहिए out of 3, so 3C1 और इस प्लस चारों मेन लेना 5 मेन से, मतलब 5 में से 4 सिलेक्ट करो, डिवाइडेड बाय सैंपल स्पेस, तो 8C4 ही है। 1 सेकंड में आंसर आता, यू अंडरस्टूड? You know 5C3. What is 5C3? 4 into 5 upon 2. 3C1 is 3. 5C4 is 5. So ऊपर आ गया तुम लोगों का 35, नीचे तो अभी हमारा 70 आया ही था, याद है? So your answer is half. Majority of men is half. This shows 3 men, 8 women. This shows all 4 men. All 4 men. So this or matlab plus, this is possible. Did you understand? क्या हो गया? मेजॉरिटी ऑफ वुमेन करो, थर्ड पार्ट कैसे करोगे? मेजॉरिटी ऑफ वुमेन, नीचे तो 8C4 है ही, अपने पास वुमेन कितनी थी? 3 वुमेन है, तो 3 वुमेन कैन बी सिलेक्टेड, गॉट इट? फ्रॉम ऑल 3, मतलब ऑल 3 वुमेन, लेकिन आदमी तो 4 चाहिए, तो एक तो अपने को मैन ही सिलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा, मतलब वुमेन 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 एंड मैन, दिस इज द ओनली पॉसिबिलिटी, बिकॉज 4 वुमेन है ही नहीं अपने पास। 3C3 into 5C4, which is 15 आ गया है, तो सिंपल। वन बाय 14 कैसे आया? What is 3C3 बोलो? 3 factorial upon, you know NCN ना, n minus r factorial. अब 5n है, करेक्ट। NCN and NC0, yeah, 5 upon, yeah, वही लिखेंगे, 4 आ रहा है बात। This I'll cancel. दिख रहा है क्या? I don't know, suddenly it's become very fat. Yes, yeah. Perfect. Everybody got it? Can I go to the next one, please? So ये majority वाला समझा? हाँ? See, this needs permutation combination actually. Don't write 5 by 70, you can write 1 by 14. You write the answer in simplest form. I'll go to the next one. You know, find the probability. अभी मैं डाइस वाले सम नहीं लूंगी because you people know how to do. Of 53 Sundays in a leap year. Has everybody done this problem earlier? then I will not take. $53 Sundays, you know, ना 52 weeks का 364 days, and leap year में there will be 2 more days. So those 2 more days can be Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. ऐसे 4 कॉम्बिनेशन आएंगे, एंड में आएगा सैटरडे, संडे. तो ये सैंपल स्पेस आता है 7, एंड संडे आएगा मंडे के साथ या सैटरडे के साथ. So n of a आएगा 2. So your answer is 2/7. It's raining also थोड़ा इधर. याद रखो लीप ईयर है तो 2/7 आता है, नॉन लीप ईयर के लिए 1/7 ईयर. बिकॉज यहाँ एक ही दिन रहेगा, वो दैट वन डे कैन बी सैटरडे, संडे, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे. करेक्ट? तो आउट ऑफ 7 ओनली संडे कैन कम, सो दैट आंसर इज 1/7. करेक्ट? आर यू एबल टू सी? Rishikesh, you have not done this now, but you understood now? Leap year, non-leap year? Okay. So I go to the next sum. I'm going a little fast so that I can cover more things for tomorrow's test. The probability that student passes in French is 0.64, passes in English is 0.45, and passes in both French and English 0.4. Find that the student passes in at least, is test for everyone? I don't know, but somebody told me test, so I took probability today. I really don't know. I'm also leaving every chapter halfway and going ahead so that it suits you. Oh, it's there for Vidyanidhi. Yeah, okay. And it is good now because you are going to appear for JEE and also mixing up chapters. You should get used to it also. And we are going to come back and do it again, right? So, but it will be helpful for the other students. That's the only thing. Huh? Thank you. Student passes in at least one of the two. अभी इतना याद रखो, at least का मतलब है ना यूनियन. Now this ये है तो मेरा probability का problem. But अभी देखो. I was telling you ना set theory probability में काम में आता है. ये देखो. ये है फ्रेंच वाले, ये है इंग्लिश वाले, ये है बोथ फ्रेंच एंड इंग्लिश, जिसका प्रोबेबिलिटी है 0.4. अभी फ्रेंच वाले हैं 0.64 minus 0.4, that is 0.24. You know, these many, this is the probability of passing only in French. Are you getting? एक वेन डायग्राम से सब काम कुछ सॉल्व करने की जरूरत. सिमिलरली इंग्लिश की है, मतलब इंग्लिश का पूरा सर्कल है जिसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी है 0.45 माइनस ये पार्ट है 0.4, जितने बच्चों का प्रोबेबिलिटी है कि वो फ्रेंच में भी पास हुए हैं. सो इंग्लिश में पास हुए हैं 0.05 The probability of passing only in English is 0.05. Yes, 100% Rishikesh. This is only to suit the students who have the exam that we are doing. Okay? You understood? What is the probability only in French वालों में कितनी है? बोलो. 0.24. You're welcome. Only in English वाला कितने हैं? 0.05. So अगर यहाँ पूछा नहीं है, but only in one of the subjects पूछते थे, तो you would have added 0.24 plus 0.05. समझा? Only in one of the subjects का probability पूछते थे तो. Okay. Is that clear? You didn't understand this, Shreya? See, how many are passed in French? What is the probability? Not passed. What is the chance of students passing in only French? ये वाले 0.24. मतलब 24 out of 100 will pass only in French, not in English. ये वाले 5 students out of 100 will pass only in English. So only French or only English, only one of the subjects is 0.24 plus 0.05. Did you get that, Shreya? Only French or only English. Okay, only one of, because पूछा एक है लेकिन पूछ भी सकते कुछ भी. So I am discussing everything in one problem. Only one पूछा है तो ये करेंगे. फिर at least one का only French plus both plus only English. ये at least one आ गया. मतलब ये 0.64 है plus 0.05. तो ये जो पूछा हुआ आंसर that is 0.69 आ गया. And in none पूछते थे तो क्या करते थे? पूछा नहीं है but पूछ सकते हैं. What is the total probability? Total probability of all is 1. So 1 minus 0.69. मतलब बाहर वाले जो है जो फ्रेंच में भी फेल है एंड इंग्लिश में भी फेल है उनका प्रोबेबिलिटी वुड बी 1 minus 0.69 which is 0.31. Is that clear? So in one problem I have covered everything. I just did it with Venn diagram. That's it. See whether you understood everything, all of you. Okay. And on YouTube, you can always watch. Now the next problem, I think problem number 5. Probability of A dash is given. That is complement of A is given as 5 by 8. What will you say? What will be the probability of A? It's 1 minus 5 by 8. So it is 3 by 8. Correct? Oh, thank you, Ayush. It's 3 by 8, right? Then probability of B is given as 1 by 2. And probability of A union B is given as 5 by 8. ये दिया हुआ है. This is given, this is given, this is given. So this we found. Probability of A is 3 by 8. Okay. Now, first thing that they have asked is probability of A intersection B. So I'll, you want me to write A intersection B पूछा है. So it is probability of A union B is probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. ये formula use करो. ये तो दिया हुआ है ना तुम्हें 5 by 8. Probability of 8 हमने A निकाला है. Probability of B is minus probability of A intersection B. Correct? This is 7 by 8 होगा. Minus 5 by 8, 2 by 8, 3, yeah, which is 1 by 4. So probability of A intersection B आ गया मेरा 1/4. Everybody clear? This is called addition theorem. Probability of A union B is probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Now, second thing they have asked you, probability of A dash union B dash. तो मैंने तुम लोगों को सिखाया था कि दोनों में डैशेस है. A dash union B dash is A intersection B का डैश. याद है? डी मॉर्गन्स लॉ. A intersection B का dash is A dash union B dash. Now probability of anything dash is 1 minus probability of that, which is 1 minus probability of A intersection B. Correct? Everybody got it? Yes. This is 1/4 that I got, na? So मेरा आंसर आया 3/4. Then they have asked you probability of A dash intersection B dash. सेम करना है, दोनों डैशेस है ना, तो बाहर डैश निकालो, बीच का साइन बदलो, A यूनियन B का डैश, which is 1 minus probability of A union B. A union B is 5/8, right? So ये आंसर है 3/8. Okay? Understood? कैसे फॉर्मूला बेस्ड सम्स कैसे करने हैं? हाँ? और ना कुछ पूछ सकते हैं. I will just show you with the diagram. हाँ? This is my A. This is my B. This is my A intersection B. What is this part? This will be A में नहीं है and B में है. Correct? And what is this? A में है and B में नहीं है. Right? So if you just remember this figure, ये तुम्हारा पूरा A है. So उसमें का ये पार्ट है A intersection B, ये पार्ट है A intersection B dash. So just click on the update. Oh, I will do it. Hey, Ayush, I'm telling you since morning, it's been a tough time for me. You know, internet is such a big issue after yesterday's rainfall. Na? तो अगर इसका मुझे प्रोबेबिलिटी पूछा A इंटरसेक्शन B डैश, और इसको बोल सकते हैं A minus B. Even your Wi-Fi is down ना यार. Thank you stars कि लेक्चर तो मिल रहा है. Yesterday I had to cancel the lecture. So tell me, what is probability of A intersection B dash? So is it not probability of A minus probability of A intersection B? Correct? So ये एक पूछ सकते हैं. You know all the values. And even they can ask you probability of A dash intersection B. A dash intersection B मतलब A में नहीं है, B में है, मतलब probability of B minus A. Correct? तो ये कैसे B में से A intersection B का probability निकल जाएगा. ये फॉर्मूला आएगा इसका. Correct? So if you just understand the diagram, you don't have to mug up the formula. This is what I mean. So in case they ask with one dash also, you can do it. Correct? मैं just कार्ड का एक प्रॉब्लम लेना चाहूंगी अभी and then I will go to conditional probability. Oh my God. Cards हो गए. Find the probability that it is a diamond or a king. Or is union and is intersection. मन में रख के चलो. और मतलब and मतलब intersection. और में अपने को प्लस करना पड़ता है, इंटरसेक्शन में अपने को मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ता है. दिस इज द थंब रूल. वो सिलेक्शन वाले सम्स में भी ये जस्ट वर्डिंग के हिसाब से जाओ, प्लस डालना है, इंटू डालना है. अभी so it is a probability of diamond plus probability of king minus probability of diamond king. Because वो दोनों में काउंट किया गया है. So there are 13 diamonds out of 52, 4 kings out of 52 minus 1 king of diamond. Correct? So 12 by 52 is the answer, which is 3 by 30. Got it? ना उसका सेकंड कार्ड पूछा है. कल कितने बजे एग्जाम है? सर को बोलो ना मेरा लेक्चर मॉर्निंग में रखने को. 2 PM ना. सो मॉर्निंग आई विल सी माय अदर लेक्चर टाइमिंग. 1 घंटा मिलेगा, बहुत अच्छा करेंगे, सब हो जाएगा. Himangi ma'am, are you there? Okay, please request Ayush. That will be really great. Red card and bears number between, because है ना एक बेस थ्योरम करते हैं. Early morning 5:30. I have no issue. Between and including 3 and 7. Red card and see red cards कितने हैं? 26 red है. Including 3 and 7 मतलब 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. एक एक वो 3s 4 है, 4s 4 है, 5th 4 है, 4 मतलब 20 हो गया. And minus उसमें से आधे रेड रहेंगे, आधे ब्लैक रहेंगे, तो 10 माइनस करने का upon 52. That's your answer. Red cards are 26. Including 3 and 7, मतलब 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 each of मतलब 4 आएंगे ना. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, so it is 20. 53 क्यों? Shreya, there are 26 red cards. Correct? 26 red cards. Or चाहिए था. Or it is bearing numbers between or is plus. Numbers मतलब you know यहाँ भी हुआ played cards, theory बोलते हैं हम theory. तो हार्ट, डायमंड, स्पेड एंड क्लब, ये 3s आएंगे, वैसे 4s आएंगे, वैसे 5s आएंगे, वैसे 6 आएंगे, वैसे 7 आएंगे. So there will be 20 cards. Correct? Out of which these 10 cards now you have counted here also and here also. So once you have to subtract. Because वो 10 cards ऐसे है जो red भी है between 3 and 7 के. Out of 20 cards, it's going to be 10 red and 10 black. So 10 red has been counted here. Correct? Yes. You want to draw the cards which is either a red card or bearing the number between and including 3 and 7. Between and including 3 and 7. मतलब रेड भी चलेगा और 3 and 7 के बीच का इंक्लूडिंग वो कार्ड भी चलेगा. मतलब 3 से लेके 7 तक रेड भी चले, ब्लैक भी चले. Are you clear now? Tuhin, how you got 16, beta? That is 5 number then. Yeah. Exactly. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 into 4. Na, चार suits hai. In the first one. First one बोल रहे हो आप? Oh. First कौन सा पूछा मैंने? हाँ 16. Yeah. Thank you. Perfect बेटा. ये ना 4 back. Thank you so much. 16 by 52. Too much hurry. So you understood this? Shreya, are you still clear? There are 26 red cards. वो 26 में मेरे clear ना? हाँ. So I don't have to write. Anybody else who has a problem in this? Twin, thank you. Huh? Yes. Okay. Then इतना सारा करना है ना, so difficult. I get so tense because I want to give you maximum, whatever I can. Okay. Now, you know, there is something called conditional probability. Conditional probability में क्या होता है? See, I wish I could explain you much of theory, but the thing is, when I write probability of B by A into probability of A is probability of B intersection A, 1 by 52 नहीं आया, 16 by 52 आया बेटा. अच्छा, that 1 by 52 you are asking me how? It is a king of diamond. तो मैंने डायमंड में भी काउंट किया और किंग में भी काउंट किया. ओके, दैट इज इट. जो इंटरसेक्शन में है वो 2 बार आता है ना, सो दैट यू हैव टू सबट्रैक्ट. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड मल्टीप्लिकेशन थ्योरम. अभी आई विल टेल यू व्हाट इट मींस. यू नो देयर आर 2 इवेंट्स A and B. A is the first event and B is the second event, and this happens when A has already happened. A has already happened. मतलब मेरी पहली इवेंट A है. जैसे मैंने एक कार्ड लिया, पैक ऑफ कार्ड्स लिया, 52 कार्ड्स है. So suppose my first event is let A be the event when a king is drawn. So what is the chance of king from a pack of cards? You have 4 kings out of 52, correct? So it is 4 out of 52. 4 upon 52 is the probability of A. Now this has happened. Now this king, what you have taken, एक king आपने बाहर निकाला. I'm giving an example. एक king आपने बाहर निकाला. Shreya, this is called conditional probability. A is the event and B is another event which happens after A has already happened. A has already happened. So suppose मैंने 52 कार्ड्स में से एक किंग निकाला, तो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए क्या होगा? 4 out of 52. अभी वो किंग मैंने वापस नहीं डाला, बाजू में रखा, वो मैंने बाजू में रखा. So what will be the, now I say B is the event when a king is drawn. Now, what do you mean by probability of B? Probability, yes, perfect, very good, Zoin. So probability of B when A has already occurred, मतलब आपके पास 4 नहीं, अभी 3 kings है, 52 cards नहीं, 51 cards है. Correct? So probability of B, second king drawn when the first has already come out is 3/51. Correct? Okay. So B, probability of B depends on what happened in A. Samjha? What happened in A. So such events are dependent events because अगर पहला मेरा किंग नहीं आता तो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सेकेंड किंग में कार्ड बाहर रहता बट किंग्स 4 ही होते, या मैंने कार्ड रिप्लेस किया होता तो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बी वेदर ए हैज ऑकर्ड और नॉट ऑकर्ड would have been no change in B because आपने जो किंग निकाला वो आपने फिर से रिप्लेस किया. Such events are independent events. I will give you an example, the best example of independent events. अगर मैं आपको एक प्रॉब्लम दे दूं, suppose I see the names here, Shriya, Tuhin and Rishikesh. I give a problem to solve. Now the probability of Shriya solves the problem is 3/4. Tuhin solving the problem is 4/5. Rishikesh solving the problem is 3/7. Suppose I'm just giving you an example. Abhi, what will you call these events as? Suppose first one is event A, second one is event B, third one is event C. What are these events? Shriya को आए या ना आए, तुहिन को कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. तुहिन को आए या ना आए, ऋषिकेश को कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. Correct? Yes. So such events are called independent events. Means that the happening or not happening of the first event doesn't change the happening of the second event. Such events are called as independent event. एक भी college paper ऐसा नहीं मिलेगा जिसमें independent event का sum नहीं आएगा. Okay? So ये problem समझा king का. And this is multiplication theorem. ये याद रखना. Probability of B by A into probability of A is probability of B intersection A. अगर इसका उल्टा लिखना है, suppose also मुझे ये लिखना है probability of A by B, मतलब probability of A when B has occurred into probability of B is probability of A intersection B. अगर ये events if they are independent, क्या होगा बोलो? ये B will be meaningless ना? This B will be meaningless. B हुआ के नहीं हुआ? Probability of A will not change. Hence, if they are independent, probability of A into probability of B is probability of A intersection B. This is the formula for independent events. Clear? Okay. Now I will take one problem. Now A, B, and C are trying to hit the target. Probability of A hitting is 3/4. So they are independent events. What's happening now? They are independent events. अभी क्या क्या पूछ सकते हैं देखो, एक प्रॉब्लम में सारा उड़ा देते हैं. Find the probability when exactly one hits the target. ये इंडिपेंडेंट है, एक एक आके मार रहे हैं. Exactly one hits the target. कैसे करोगे? A hits and B does not hit and is into C does not hit. मतलब only और सी ये हो सकता है और ये हो सकता है और ये हो सकता है. Are you getting? So या तो A मार सकता है, यहाँ B मार सकता है, बाकी दोनों फेल हो गए, या C मार सकता है P of A dash into P of B dash. Correct? All of you getting? I cannot see the chat. Hello? What is happening to the internet? Exactly one hits the target का मतलब समझा? एक ने hit किया. You can substitute the values and get the answer. I know. So because we have all the probabilities. Correct? So find the probability when exactly one hits. Okay? And everybody understood the first one. Try find exactly one hit. Sabko samjha? Shriya, what is the problem? Tell me. Exactly one hits the target means I will write and show you. अरे मेरा मूव ही नहीं हो रहा है यार. A hits and B doesn't and C doesn't. Shreya, did you understand all these 6 values? Yes? Hello? Oh God. Still you are not able to hear me? I can repeat. See what I'm saying, that 3 people are independently trying to hit the target. So probabilities of each hitting the target are given. So I found probability of not hitting the target. Complementary events आता है सबको निकालने को. So A dash, B dash, C dash निकाला. Right? श्रेया समझा? हाँ. Now find the probability. First question, find the probability that exactly one person hits the target. Exactly one. मतलब या तो A can hit or B can hit or C can hit. But when A hits, other two cannot hit. Okay? Got it? I'm not substituting the value so that I can do more. Chalega? That is 3 by 4 into probability of B dash is 1 by 2. Probability of C dash is 3 by 8 and so on. Yes, Shravani. I gave you the formula, that is probability of A plus probability of A dash, the sum of the probabilities are 1. It is not the statement, it is a logical thing that I wrote. Only one hits is A hitting, B not hitting, C not hitting, or B hitting, A not hitting, C not hitting, or C hitting, A not hitting, B not hitting. Clear? Yeah? श्रेया समझा कि नहीं? Not hit at all. मतलब A cannot do, and B cannot do, and C cannot do. None of them can do. Independent event है, तो product लेना है. So probability of A dash into probability of B dash into probability of C dash is not hit at all. So probability of A dash कितना है? 1/4, B dash है 1/2 and ये है 3/8. करेक्ट? तो ये आंसर आ गया मेरा 3/64. परफेक्ट. सो अगर उन्होंने पूछा कि find the probability that it is hit, just hit by anyone, any two or all three, तो इतना कौन निकालेगा? तो in that case क्या करना है? It is 1 probability of not hit at all. Yes, very good. So it will be 1 minus 3/64. So it is 61/64. या तो हिट होगा या तो नॉट हिट होगा. श्रेया, where are you? Are you able to understand? Yes. Suppose उन्होंने पूछा कि find the probability exactly to. कैसे करोगे? A can do, B can do, C cannot do, or A can do, C can do, B cannot do, or B can do, C can do, A cannot do. ये फॉर्मूला नहीं है श्रेया. This is what I'm forming. These are the chances, these are the possibilities. See, independent events में we need to multiply. So exactly 2 will hit. 2 will hit मतलब AB hit कर सकते हैं या AC hit कर सकते हैं या BC hit कर सकते हैं. So when these two are doing, this is not doing. When these two are doing, this is not doing. Or is plus and means into. Are you able to understand? Is there any problem still, Shreya? Understood? Okay, great. You have the lecture, na? मुझे लगेगा ही 1 घंटा लगना ही चाहिए मुझे. Please request sir if he could give me the lectures in the morning, na? I will give you my free time also because I also have other lectures. But please request sir so that you will be able to tackle any sum tomorrow. And पूरा probability का एक gist हो जाएगा. Those who don't have the exams उनके लिए भी. Okay, because only abhi 5 to 6 sums more and Bayes theorem. This is what I need to explain. All right, then we have to just do the sums later. We can redo the formula, and I to solve 90% of my probability with the help of set theory. Okay, so since you have the lecture now, I will say bye-bye and please request her that he can keep for an hour tomorrow. Thank you so much. God bless you all and all the best for your exams. In case if he is not able to arrange. Bye-bye. You take care. And Shreya, please put a hi so that I will put you the solutions. Bye-bye. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.